guys, welcome back to Dreamy's Tech, and in today's video I got something very special for you guys. So we have the UGREEN and Genshin Impact collab, and you can see we have two products here in the studio. Right here with me we have the one of the Nexode power bank. So this is the 20,000 mAh power bank. I think it's the biggest power bank I've ever owned in my life. Honestly, I never got this kind of capacity before. Mostly it's like 10,000 is the max for me, but this is 20,000 and look how big is this thing. But anyway, this one's all Genshin Impact theme compared to the original version, and it's a 20,000 mAh battery power bank. We have 120 watts of output, so mainly almost the same like the original version. It's just that this one is themed in Genshin Impact theme. So that's the main difference. So you can see the package is all different. We have teenage over here, we have a green color over here as well. So a bit different in terms of packaging, but overall the specs and everything should be identical to the original Nexode power bank. So that is very nice. And we also got the Type-C to Type-C cable. This is the UGREEN Genshin Impact themed. And we also have Genshin Impact theme all around it, green color and everything. And this one is also very good. It's 100 watts. Total power output 100 watts, which is amazing. And yeah, so this is one of the collab products. There's actually another two more, but I don't have it in the studio right now. That is the one of it is the UGREEN wireless MagFlow charger. It's 2-in-1, and we also have the there's one more Nexode adapter as well. So that one is also a Genshin Impact theme, but we don't have that in the studio, so we only have these two. So we're taking a close look at these two products, and we'll showcase and unboxing experience everything and see what we get from the packaging and everything, and also showcase like the screen of this display. We can see we have a TFT display over here. It's a bit different because this is Genshin Impact theme. There is a bit of customization they've done. So I'll take a closer look at this mainly and see, is it worth the money, because you gotta pay a little bit of premium for this collab, which is to be expected from this kind of collabs from any brand, honestly. But yeah, we're gonna find out, and let's take a look at these products right away. Alright guys, so let's begin the unboxing, but first I want to show you guys something pretty cool. We got these two merch from the UGREEN official shop actually by purchasing each of these. So I bought this one, I got a free keychain. It's the key niche theme, you can see, really cool. And I also got this Type-C cable, which also includes a card over here. I think this is a random card. Yeah, so these will be random, and this one should be the same for everyone else who purchased this one. So yeah, that's something nice they have given us, this one. So yeah, we'll open this up later. Let's check out the Nexode power bank first, and then followed by this, and then we'll also just open this up at the last part of the video to show you guys the merch and everything. So let's start off with the power bank first. So let's put this aside. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, I'll give you guys an overview of the box and everything. Closer look, you can see real-time status, smart digital display, input output battery level. So you can see we have all the information you know about the power bank. We have the battery left, we have the input output in terms of the output of the watts, and also the input you can see all over here in details, which is fantastic. We also have the time taken to charge the device to full, which is good. This is flight approved as well. I will talk about that later because this one meets the flight standards to bring on board. And we also have safe charging. We have the PD, QC, SCP, VPS, all the fast charging protocols that you can think of is supported on this power bank, which is amazing. PD 3.0, 100 watts max single port charging, 130 watts total output and max output. So yeah, so that is the Nexode power bank. Let's take a look at the packaging over this side. Nothing, just design. And over here you can see the more details about the specs. So you can pause the video right here and see like the full information of each of the specs, and you can pause right here, and you can see the rated energy is 72 watt hours, which is actually in line with the airline, because most of the airlines, I think they can accept up to 160 watt hours, I believe, or around 100 to 160 watt hours, but this is way below 100 watt hours, so it's no problem bringing this. And it's only 20,000 mAh battery, so it's not that big as well, and it's allowed to bring into the airline. And you scroll down, you go down right here, you can see all the information and the MiHoYo logo as well. So yeah, this is a collab. And yeah, so that is the specs and everything. This side we have Kinich, and then yeah, that's it. So let's open this thing up and see in action, and see how heavy it is as well, because I'm a bit concerned on the weight, as it's a 20,000 mAh battery. It's gonna be pretty heavy, but who knows. Let me just cut this open first. So we have to cut thing. Yes, already cut. There we go, slide out, and there we go. Wow, key niche over here in the front. So yeah, very nice. The box also was customized a lot, honestly. It says here open, so I think you have to cut the seal. There's another seal here, I think. Let me just cut it. Alright, open. There we go. So this is the unboxing experience you get. Like this, accessory box right here. This is the charger. This is the power bank. So let's just take out the accessory box first. So put this aside. We have the power bank. Wow, it's actually quite on the heavy side, guys. It's very heavy. So yeah, this is the power bank. I'm gonna put this aside for now. Let us see what else we get the box first. So all these are the user manual and everything. You can see user instruction, help guide. Basically, if you want to know more information, just read this. And then we have the accessory box. So this comes with a type C to type C cable, I believe. It's just a black one, I remember. Oh, it's got a pouch as well. Hey, that's not bad. And it's also key niched. It's Genshin Impact team. Wow, with a jaw. Alright. I didn't expect this, honestly. I thought it would be just a normal pouch, but it seems like they took some customization as well to the pouch, which is amazing. It's really good from UGREEN. Fantastic. The cable, just ordinary black cable, nothing too fancy. Yeah, just normal. But yeah, pretty nice. We got a pouch. We can store the power bank inside. And now the main highlight of the entire thing, which is this thing. So this is the power bank. It's quite heavy, guys, honestly. But I think you can put on a table or something, it should be fine. But carrying it a lot, I mean, when you're using your hand, it's quite heavy, in my opinion. But it's just me. So let me just open this. Alright, so open it and look at that. Wow. So this is the design. You can see it's really customized, like to the max. Wow, really high quality, honestly. This side as well. You can see Genshin Impact, UGREEN design at the back. So these are the specs of the power bank. Yeah, really cool. And yeah, these are ports. We have 3 ports. These are 100 watts. Input output supported. These are both output only. And yeah, this is the one. I mean, this is pretty much the same like other Nexode power banks. It's almost the same. It's green color here as well, which is a pretty nice touch. And yeah, so this is the TFT display. So you can just turn it on like this. You can see. Look at that. That's the loading animation, or the startup animation of the power bank. So that is the customization I was talking about earlier in the video. And yeah, we have 49% left. So that's pretty nice. I will charge this to the max because it's still not fully charged. So we'll probably charge it to the max. You can just tap to turn off the screen. And yeah, I think this is really awesome. I will test this out definitely with my devices to see how it fares. But yeah, so yeah, I can see the startup screen again. So it's always showing, I think it's the same animation, but it's just pretty nice touch, honestly. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So you can see we have the like output wattage. It will show like the amount of watts it's pulling from the power bank. We'll show you guys that later. But yeah, this is just an initial unboxing. Let me unbox the other one, which is the Type-C cable. So I'm gonna put this aside for now, and we're gonna be opening up the next one, which is this one. So this is the Type-C cable. This one should be pretty fast. Let's just see how it looks like in the box. Alright, so let's open it up. And there we go. We've got the this is just the user manual. This one nothing special, but let's put this aside. And yeah, so it's 1 meter in length. There's no other option, unfortunately. So only 1 meter in length for this particular product from the UGREEN official shop. And yeah, this is how it looks like. You can see braided cables with a strap here to lock it in place. We have a jaw over here, and yeah, this is how it looks like in close up. It's green color now instead of the usual like standard one, and we have the logo right here. Pretty nice. Other than that, yeah, this is pretty much the same like the original version. Other than the customization I said, we have the jaw here. We have it's green color everywhere, and yeah, that's pretty much actually for this unboxing for the Type-C cable. But honestly, really amazing customization, I would say, and really high quality as well. Wow, this is really good. But yeah, this is amazing. We can use this to charge up the power bank, which is pretty nice. And last but not least, we have the merch that we got from the power banks and also the cable, Type-C cable. So this one is from the power bank. Let's just open it up to see. I'm just gonna show you guys what we get. And this is what we get. So this is the keychain. I mean, nothing too crazy, but still nice to get for free. It's part of the collab. And yeah, so it's like this two-piece. It's a two-piece keychain. Pretty cool. So let's give you guys a close-up look on the design. And if I open like this, you can see, yeah, two-piece. I'm not sure is it supposed to be like that, but pretty interesting. Yeah, we have some wrappers there, but yeah, this is the keychain. You can hook it somewhere onto a bag or something. It looks pretty nice. UGREEN and Genshin. So yep. And last but not least, we have the card, the clear card or clear photo. So let's just open this up. I think this is randomized, so maybe you guys might get a different one. So this is what I got. Pretty nice Instagram post actually. So you can just put this somewhere, I guess, and yeah, I don't know, just for collection, I guess. But yep, this is what we got from the Type-C cable purchase. So yep. Alright, so that is all actually that we have in the studio. So these are the two things that I got. Let us test out the output display. I would love to see how it looks like. But yeah, you can see, yeah, that's really cool. I love this. It's amazing. Yeah, let me just get a device to charge and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back and I've got a device right here on the right charging. You can see now it displays on C1 out the amount of watts it's pulling. So this device only supports 25 watts max, so it's pulling 24.8 around there, 24.3 now going down. But it's yeah, it is at its max speed. Not that this device can't do more than 100 watts, but just that this device on the right here, you can't see it now. It can't pull more than 25 watts. It's an old device. It's a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, so it's yeah, it's the max. But we have this animation as well. Okay, this is pretty new. Yeah, so this is the animations that you get sometimes, I guess. So if I press this, I see. So it's like if you're not doing anything, it'll just show the animation is charging lah. So yep, I think that wraps up this little video on the unboxing of this Nexode power bank and also the Type-C cable. So these are the two collab products that I've purchased myself actually. So there's actually 4. If you're interested in buying all 4, I'll put a link in the description for you to purchase all the other products that they have in the store. But I think these two are the ones that most people will get, honestly. And this one as well, I think, because this is much cheaper than this one. If you want this one, the cable, I think this is a pretty good thing to get. If you really are Genshin Impact fans, I think I can very recommend these two products, no problems. So yeah, that's all for me guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.